Good morning, friends. It's Wednesday, May 10th, and the big news this morning was the pre-market announcement of the CPI report that came out exactly where the forecast said it would be. So what did the market do? Well, let's see what the market did. Here, 8:30, and prices were coming in right at equilibrium. The previous day's close, Tuesday's close right here at 41.34, and the market shot up. Why? This was an expected number, So I would expect the markets, if they do continue their upward rise, I would expect them to trade somewhere within my calculated trading zone today because this was expected news. Anyway, so let's see where we are today. The markets are in the green, yes, as we just saw. Now, so inflation is seemingly if not under control, it's not going up. And it was expected. The number that came out today was expected. And I never see anything in the news that's going to be inform me of which way the market is going to go. And I use the news, if you've seen my previous videos, I use the news for entertainment. If there's anything newsworthy that's going to move the market, believe me, trust me, the news is already baked into the price. But there was something from Warren Buffett the other day. Don't recall where I read it, but there was something from Warren Buffett who said that the companies he owns are overstocked and they're going to have to get rid of their excess inventory by having sales, and they hadn't done this all throughout the COVID pandemic. So that's a hint. Warren Buffett's companies are going to be lowering prices because they are stuck with a lot of excess inventory. So inflation, while it might be still high, prices will come down because all these merchants that have bought a lot of merchandise, a lot of inventory, they have to get rid of that inventory. So where is the market going today? Well, I calculated that the market is going to trade, and here's my Taylor calculator. The market is going to trade in a range of 41.58 to resistance 41.36 to support. A narrow range, 21 points is the forecast, and that's based on the averages of previous days, based on Taylor's calculations. Remember, George Taylor did these calculations 75 years ago, and they are very helpful, almost insightful in terms of where the markets are going to go, and they work for almost every market. So I put these numbers on my chart, and here's my chart, and I only trade the E-mini. You could trade whatever you want, and certainly you can use Taylor for whatever you want. But prices shot up to 41.72 from where they were coming in starting the day at 41, just below 41.34. So will they come down to close the gap? I don't know. We'll see today. But according to where the market should trade around here. But of course, the market is a sentient animal, and it's driven by sentiment. So we'll see what happens today. This is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. If you want to improve your trading, take my course at timelessdollar.com. If you want to improve your metrics, I have a calculator at timelessdollar.com where you can calculate your metrics and see whether, if you are going to trade real money, you'll see if you're going to be successful. This calculator will tell you before you risk a dime. And also, if you want the Taylor calculator, well, I have that too. So whatever you need for trading, for helping you trade, for making money, for making better trading decisions, find it at timelessdollar.com. Trade safely, use lots of patience. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy.